Question 21. When gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, which of the following best describes the power supply employed with an EWC2 electrode? Answer, primarily employed with DC. Question 22. Which of the following is a negative consequence of mill scale on welding processes? Answer, erratic or unstable arc, fusion problems, and smaller, less fluid weld puddles. Question 23. Which of the following materials would be best for making long-lasting pipe templates? Answer, fiber gasket. Question 24. What would be the minimum wire rope diameter for an 1,800 kilogram load while maintaining a 5-to-1 safety factor? Answer, 15 millimeters. Question 25. When plasma arc cutting, PAC, which of the following gases produces the hottest plasma for cutting? Answer, argon and hydrogen mixture. Question 26. When gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, an electrode that discolors once the arc ends indicates which of the following? Answer, the electrode has atmospheric contamination. Question 27. Which of the following best describes the size of an equal leg fillet weld? Answer, leg length of the largest isosceles triangle within the weld cross-section. Question 28. At which of the following degrees are isometric drawings drawn from the horizontal axis? Answer, 30 degrees. Question 29. When gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, which of the following is a potential cause of incomplete fusion? Answer, excessive arc length. Question 30. When gas tungsten arc welding, GAW, with pulse current mode, when adjusting the pulse width, which of the following best describes how it is adjusted? Answer, it is adjusted as a percentage of a cycle. Question 31. It is noticed that a punch and die set is producing excessive burrs. Which of the following is the most probable cause? Answer, dull tooling. Question 32. When semi-mill welding gray cast iron with EST electrodes, how should the welds be performed? Answer, employ the lowest current possible with short, narrow beads. Question 33. Which of the following occurs as the arc length is increased when small-mill? Answer, amperage decreases and voltage increases. Question 34. Which of the following is an advantage of pulse spray transfer? Answer, good for all positions. Question 35. When a GMW power supply is set to constant voltage, which of the following must the power supply be equipped with? Answer, voltage sensing wire feeder. Question 36. In what units are flow meters employed for use with the gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW process? Answer, cubic feet per hour, CFH, and/or liters per minute, LPM. Question 37. When gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, aluminum with AC balance control, which of the following best describes the impact of adjusting to more cycle time on electrode positive EP and less on electrode negative EN? Answer, greater cleaning action and less penetration. Question 38. When submerged arc welding SAW in constant voltage CV mode, which wire feeder setup is employed? Answer, constant speed. Question 39. When air carbon arc gouging cutting CAC-A cast iron, which of the following polarities is recommended? Answer, alternating current AC. Question 40. Which of the following stainless steel series is the most widely used? Answer, 300 series.